Fans, friends, and family. Letting y'all see what we got. Getting a little weld on right now. Putting on a foot peg. Got a little welding going on right here. Y'all see it, Murray Mini Motors, baby. Doing it all for these bikes. Trying to make it work for the customers, man. Keeping it cheap. Getting down to the business. Y'all stay tuned in, baby. Sweating out here. It's hot. Murray Mini Motors bringing dead bikes back to life, y'all. Hashtag that bike life, baby. Peace. Matter of fact, I'll show you a little bit of what we got. Oh yeah, we're getting there. Stay tuned in. Peace.